Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my experience as a coach in the Glo-Bus simulation game. This is evidence that I really can coach your team to victory and why I do what I'm doing. And there's a free offer if you listen to me. In this game, players from around the world compete to see who can run the most successful virtual business selling cameras and drones. Why do I do this? I love Glo-Bus, but also as an investor, and not only do I love playing and winning Glo-Bus, but I like to keep in touch with understanding what the business schools are teaching. I can use that knowledge of the business school gaps for arbitrage, especially for equities and options. What is my record? You can see that behind me. 223 coached wins, and I'm proud to say that my teams have consistently performed at a high level, and many of them winning their respective competitions. 8 of them going into the international competition for a first place win. How does it work? As a coach, my job is to guide and support your team as they make strategic decisions, pass quizzes with flying colors, but it is not to cheat. Besides, isn't that a little risky, having people cheat for you? You're going to get this Glo-Bus thing from my channel and do well. Here's my sales pitch. Watch the videos. You don't absolutely need me, but keep in touch through the comments section if you need to know specifics. If you do want your team to have an expert opinion, a tutor, so to speak, it is there in the description. More business knowledge growth than you thought you could achieve is in this channel. There are links to the walkthroughs somewhere around here. In conclusion, I'm grateful for the opportunity to have coached in this game, and I'm excited to continue helping teams succeed in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on my journey. Like it, free spreadsheet if you subscribe. Oh, and there's the Glo-Bus walkthroughs and tips and advanced strategies. Lovely!